Hey, what's going on YouTube? So welcome back to our series DIY for our E92 BMW M3. So today we're going to do something a little easy, very easy. I'm going to give this a difficulty rating of 1. Why am I rating it a 1? Because you don't need any tools, and I think a 10-year-old could probably do this. But you know, it could be a little confusing sometimes. I've even asked people, it's like, how did you get your windshield wipers off? Well, I'm probably going to show you right now because I have to replace my windshield wipers, and I'll tell you what I did wrong the first time if you really want to know. Yes, you could royally fuck this up. So let's take a look right here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so over here we have our windshield wipers right here. This is for the Coupe and Cabrio, 600 millimeter, 449 millimeter. One set if you don't know how to speak German, and it tells you right here the 24-inch one is for the driver's side. It has a little steering wheel. 18-inch is for the passenger side. So it tells you E92, E93, 06, whatever, to 09, 09, so on and so forth. Okay, so and then I have these also right here. These are the little caps that you need to take off to get to the windshield wipers. Now, why do I have these and why do we need them? Because I broke one before, because they do break. They're just little plastic clips, and you know, over time one can break. Let me show you. Beautiful day out here in New York for once. Okay, so this is one that's broke. I just put this on here. It's been in my car. But you can see this clip right here on the outside, I don't know if you can see that good enough, is broke. So I just put that on there for shits and grins, which is the reason why I have a brand new set. Okay, so, but I said we have 2 windshield wipers and 2 windshield wiper caps. So let's go ahead and take the old ones off. Just lift up like this. Obviously get these, and I said these just pop off, but sometimes they can be a little complicated. All right, that's still intact. Alright, and then these are real simple. Right here, watch this. Spin, pull out. Okay? Spin, pull out. Okay, now this says it's for the 06 to 09. My car is a 08. The 010, or 010, the 10 and up to, what was it, 2013 are probably a little bit different. So I couldn't tell you how it's done because I don't have that car sitting in front of me. Probably read the instructions, but you can clearly see that this is super easy. Right here, spin. If you try to take it off this way, it's not gonna come off. There's a little ridge right here, okay? So, and that's how it doesn't fly off the car. Real easy. So let's take off the other one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so, and you can see the difference right here of the two. Now you're probably asking me, why am I changing these? What's wrong with them? Well, they're not BMW, that's what's wrong with them. I bought these, I believe these were, I can't remember what they were. I bought them on Amazon though, because they were cheaper than the BMW ones. And if you go and read all the reviews, you'll see everybody says just spend the money, buy the BMW ones, because other ones just don't fit, just don't work right. And what was happening is on the better half of my windshield, about 6 inches up, it just wasn't even touching, which is super weird. And it didn't matter what I did to the windshield wipers, they didn't work. So I bought the BMW set. Okay, so here we go. This is our new set right here. Comes with these little clips right here, so I'm sure we'll just pull these apart. Just like this. You know, sometimes it does benefit to buy BMW, and these things aren't that expensive. I got them on Amazon, I'll post a link. Alright, let's get these off of here. And as I said, we're going to put them on. There's only one way to put them on. You see there's no hole right here, and we have a hole right here. Alright. Put it on, spin. All right, let's put the new one on. Right here. Put it on, spin. All right, and put them down. And put them down. Now, I'm gonna use my brand new one just because I bought them and I feel like using them. So let's put these things on. Okay, and that's snapped in there. Okay, and now the next one. And I'll save the good one for later. I'll just put it back in a bag and save that one for just in case. The old one, the broken one, I'll throw away. Just slide it in right here like this, then snap in. Just like that. Super easy. Takes 5 minutes at best. Then, you know, you can take your other ones, throw these back in the bag right here. And if you want to know the part number is 61610415881. This is only for the 06 to 09. Then I'll make my way over to the trash can and throw this crap away. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my DIY tutorial for the windshield wipers for the E92 M3 up to 09. Okay, so the 2010 model, 2013 model will be different. So make sure you double check the part number, as all might not fit in conjunction with each other. Obviously it would have the correct dates on there if it did. So, but there we go, real simple, no tools, no nothing, takes 5 minutes, 10-year-old could do it. Rating of 1 out of 10 on my difficulty scale. I'll put the link in the description for where I got them and the part numbers. So until next time guys, have a good day, thanks for watching.